Welcome to the Project Wet family. You have attended a Project Wet workshop and discovered how hands-on water education can inspire curiosity, critical thinking, and real-world learning. Now, how do you keep the momentum going? Project Wet offers 3 ways to continue learning, growing, and bringing meaningful water education to your audiences. First, become a Project Wet member. Membership connects you to a community of educators who are passionate about environmental and water education. Members receive exclusive updates, special webinars, discounts, and access to resources that help you stay informed and engaged throughout the year. Second, explore Project Wet's digital publications. Bring hundreds of engaging, standards-aligned activities directly to your classroom, outdoor learning space, or education program. Get your guide digitally or explore Project Wet's library of activities from over 30 years of experience at the Water Education Learning Library, called The Well. Instant access means you can find the right activity whenever inspiration strikes. Third, with Wet Academy, gain access to Project Wet's online trainings. Need a refresher on an activity? Want to deepen your understanding of a water topic? With online training available anytime, you can learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. Whether you're preparing for tomorrow's lessons or exploring a new subject area, professional learning is always at your fingertips. Project Wet doesn't end when the workshop is over. Through membership, digital publications, and on-demand online training, you'll have the tools, resources, and support to inspire water literacy year-round. Keep learning, keep teaching, keep making a difference, one drop at a time.